Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make crispy vegetable rolls at home. For making rolls, you need to take 2 onions, 2 tomatoes and 1 carrot. Let's move on to the procedure of making vegetable rolls. You first need to grate the carrot, then chop 2 tomatoes, chop 3 green chilies. Mix thoroughly and keep this mixture aside. Chop 2 onions. Pour 2 tablespoons cooking oil in a separate pan. Add chopped onions and 2 tablespoons salt to it. Add the mixture that we kept aside to it. Add half tablespoon saunf powder to it. Then add 2 tablespoons garlic ginger paste. Add 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Add half tablespoon cumin powder. Mix thoroughly and cook for 3 minutes. Add 100 grams of paneer to it. Then take a roll dough and fill it with the mixture. After putting the mixture on the roll dough, make a roll. Fry rolls in a separate pan for 2 minutes. You're done with making vegetable rolls. Enjoy it with your family. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Scale Garden.